As promised, this is the video where I explain cleaning out my bathroom cabinets. I know it went really fast and a lot of people didn't really fully understand what I was doing, so I'm going to take you through it step by step, what I did and why I did it. So let's get going. Okay, first things first. Let's take a look at what I have in my bathroom cabinets. There's a lot of stuff, and I'm going to show you what's in my medicine cabinet, my cabinet drawers, my under the sink, all of those things. I'm going to do both bathrooms because that's going to be important. Now that you've seen what's in both bathrooms, we've got to empty it out. Yeah, let's speed this along. Get everything into one place. Now that it's all in one place, we're going to leave that for a second. Let's clean out everything. The bathroom drawers, the medicine cabinet, all those things, so that way it'll have enough time to dry while we do the sorting. Sorting your items is super important. You can get rid of things which, one, shouldn't be there, two, are expired, and question yourself as to why I have battery-operated fake candles in my bathroom. No idea. I mean, I have no idea. But they were there, they didn't work, so they needed to go. I had batteries, and part of that is because I had to charge up my chargers. The only place that, like, my battery chargers and those sort of things I had to put them was in the bathroom, because that's where the easiest accessible place for them is. So that's its own issue. But we need to go through all this stuff, get rid of what we don't need, and then once I've gotten rid of what I don't need, I'm going to combine like items. There are some things where I have like 2 bottles of mineral oil open. Don't know why, but I'll combine those things into one jar, one bottle, and I'll do that with all that stuff. have a big thing of samples. Like, I used to belong to these boxes, you know, like these boxes that they come to your house, Well, I have all those samples, and you know, they were one-use kind of things. Well, I can put them all into one jar, that when people come over and they need lotion or that sort of thing, they can use it straight out of my apothecary container. Actually, it's a cookie jar, and I can put all that in there, and it's all in one place. It's contained, and I don't have to keep dusting it because it has a cover on it. Now that everything is sorted and put in its various spot, let's clean all the stuff that we're going to keep. Make sure that it is all nice and clean, and that is really important. You want to have nice and clean stuff that you're going to be using. Now let's divide the things back into where it should go. We'll have my bathroom stuff and then the guest bathroom stuff on the other side. In the guest bathroom, I'll also put those things like overflow stuff, like the hand soap that I have in my dispensers, the extra jars of that sort of thing. It'll go in the guest bathroom because there is the extra space for it. Once everything is sorted, let's put it back. That's the easy part. Putting everything back where I want it to be. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope that explains a little bit more about what I did and why I did it. It made a lot of sense while I was doing it, but like I said, when I was editing the video, it didn't make a lot of sense, so I had to do this video for you. Well, let me know what you thought about that down in the comments. I hope this gave you some motivation to get out there and get your bathroom cabinets cleaned out, because it is important to have some extra space there. If this is your first time here, remember to hit that bell for notifications and subscribe, and also share this video so that way we can really grow our neighborhood. And I hope I get to see you again next time. And don't forget, check out these videos that I picked out just for you.